Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Valentine's Day morning. So, we're going to have an exciting day today because we all know that I hate food, but I absolutely love waffles. I'm going to show you how damn easy it is to get my day going. This is going to be a fun day. So, first of all, got my unicorn lunchbox going. All right. We're going to unpack that in a second. But first, I need to do there's going to be a lot of firsts. I'm not awake yet. Espresso. Definitely. Get that going. Okay, so what I did last night, I did a few things because I wanted to make my power waffle recipe. So I made 7 days worth of a power waffle, which I'm going to teach you guys tomorrow how to make the power waffle. And then I also took a 1 bag of frozen peaches, reduced that down with quarter-cup sugar, and then it came out to 2 cups, but I'm going to be using 1 cup for this icing I'm going to make. So what we're gonna be doing is, since it's Valentine's Day, I'm gonna do a protein powder icing. So to make the protein powder icing, I'm gonna take the 1 cup of reduced down peach juice. It's kind of thick, and now I'm gonna thicken up even more with cornstarch. So I took 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of very cold water. I just turned this on, so it's not very hot, just like at a low heat. But I'm gonna whisk this in. There we go, get that nice, good there. And the reason I'm whisking in cornstarch is I want this to be nice and thick. So we're going to be adding a few things to it while we drink a little bit of coffee. All right, so while it's thickening up, let's make sure we got everything ready in our lunchbox, right? Because if we did it before, like how to prepare your lunchbox for your day, well, hey, we're going to just review real quick. All right, for my waffle, for my topping for my waffle, emergency coffee. We got our napkins from whenever we go to Taco Bell and stuff. We've got our emergency birthday candle, our emergency condo mints. Of course, we got our baby wipes for many needs, our fan, our chopsticks in case we forget that in case we forget something like a fork, and then a regular fork. So I just take a little fork and I put it in a bag, little bag, keeps it all nice. Okay, let's put that back in. All right, set my lunchbox up to the side while we work on this icing. So I ate 1/4 of my waffle last night. So I'm going to just be using 1/4 during my bike ride. That's right, we're going on a bike ride. Today is my day off from my moneymaker, and I'm going to be dropping my shorts for you guys later. Ha! So much fun. I'm excited. So, remember, this show is all about me, guys. I really wanted to go on a bike ride today. I really wanted to have a waffle. But I'm bringing you guys along on the journey. Because riding a bike for me is something really fucking cool because I don't got no esophagus. So when they took this fucker out, I didn't think, having a backpack full of pumps and shit was going to be possible to enjoy riding a bike again. Well, now that, come up with my own workarounds, everything is just flying through. I'm already hooked up. Everything looks great. And now I'm eating nice and nutritiously, which makes me very fucking happy. Because, hey, me getting excited about food, it's pretty damn amazing. All right, so here's my 3/4 waffle. So I'm just going to need one piece of this waffle for my bike ride. And this particular waffle recipe that I'm doing, it's going to be really nice. But this one's frozen currently, and as it cools off, it'll be perfect. The other waffle just fits, bam, perfectly in that little bitty container. And then if I was going to work, then the moneymaker, then I'd put in another 1/4 to take, and then one when I got home. This keeps me from crashing. And since I'm doing a protein powder icing, to go on top of, then I do not need extra protein powder. So I did make a wonderful juice for myself. Since this is not a juicing show, I'm not going to tell you what I put in here. But it's healthy and nutritious. And don't forget, slam that fucker shut. Last thing you want is to pull out. Woo! It's all over my fucking face. All right. So now I've got this thickened up. I'm going to start adding in a few things to it. So let me take my peach that I put in here. So I'm going to put the 1 cup peaches with the cornstarch. You see the consistency, right? All right. Still, I don't really like dishes in the morning, but this is not that much. It's totally doable. And normally I have everything just ready to go. Just bam. Let's get off on the day. All right. I like that one. Bad joke. All right. So I'm going to take my protein powder, big ass healthy scoop of protein powder. I'm going to whisk that in. All right. Okay. There's my protein powder whisked in. Now, I'm going to put in a tablespoon of powdered sugar because it's special. It's Valentine's Day, right? Let's sugar it up a little bit. All right. Wow. I got to wake the fuck up. It's going to be so nice. Take you guys with me on a bike ride. Drop my shorts for you. All right. Now, pinky test. Pretty good, but I want it sweeter. Just like me. Haha, bullshit. All right. So now another heaping teaspoon this time. Tablespoon. Okay. Whisk that in. So that was like 2 heaping tablespoons of powdered sugar. Whisked in. Much better. Now I got a 1/3 cup of this amazing beet juice that I, once again, the way I do the juice is I boil it, reduce it, put it through a juicer, take out all the chunks, and then come up with the most beautiful juice ever. So now let's make our Valentine's Day red with this beautiful, awesome beet juice. I'm excited. And like everything, absolutely, I've never tried this before. All right. See what happens. Oh, look at that beautiful color. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. This is what I wanted. Right there. Okay. Taste test. Damn, this shit's getting better. All right. But it's Valentine's. I want some coconuts. All right. I'm just going to add in like, I don't know, a 1/4 cup coconut in here. And boom. Look at that beautiful, nice coconut infused heavenly goo here. Okay. Take my little travel cup here. That's all I need for this waffle. There we go. Go ahead and cover this waffle piece up. Oh, I want to grab all the goodness. It's just good. Protein powder icing. Hell yeah. All right. So, more coffee. Shall we review how easy it is to start your day? All right. So I'm just going to put these things away. Where they go. Done. Done. I only had a couple dishes. I got to put clips on that. So, this is how I get going. It's pretty damn easy. Got my unicorn lunch pail. Check. Got all my necessities in here already. Check. Now, waffle. This one's not going to have to be heated, so it's starting off frozen, so it's going to be perfect when I'm ready to eat it on my lovely bike ride. Check. And this amazing icing, red, beautiful, my velvety smooth icing on top of that. I am all set now for an incredible Valentine's Day. Starting off, which I do not like Valentine's Day, but this has been really fun. getting this going with you guys. All right, got my juice. That fucker's locked down. All right, don't drop the lunchbox. Okay, this is how easy it is. Lunchbox, check. Juice, check. All right, I will roll that down. Next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be dropping my shorts. Bye, guys.